of my bitches got friends, and they bad, so we're good. It's enough for the click.
So hey K-Birds, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing a hair review today. The wig that I am wearing right now, it is going to be in another video, so make sure you have your notifications turned on for that. So let's get into this wig. So I'm gonna be doing a wig from Zury Sis. They did send me out this wig, so thank you so much for sending me out this wig. It is going to be a Beyond Your Imagine wig. I do love the Beyond Your Wigs collection. I really love the collection of the Beyond Your Wigs. So that is what the wig is going to be looking like. And that is the wig up close. It is the BYD Lace H Topaz. And I have it in this style Sunbright RT Grape. Well, the color is Sunbright RT Grape. It is a lace front, natural baby hairs from me fiber. It says high heat up to 400 degrees, and it says that it has a arch part side hand tied 5 inches. So right there on the stock card is what they're talking about, and then on the back is just going to be your hair care instructions. So the color the model is wearing is super pretty. I like that color. So this is what the wig is looking like. The coloring is so freaking pretty. Since we are coming into summer, I want to wear like all summer colors. Like I want color in my hair. They do have this wig in natural color, so if this is not for you, you can order natural color. So keep in mind that you can do that. So I'm showing you the style of the wig, but if you want natural color, they do have natural colors. Okay. So on the top it does have a dark purple, and then it goes down into like this purple grape looking color, and then in between it looks like silver, and then towards the ends it gets into like a lilac purple, and then it looks like a rose gold kind of tone. And then in the front you are going to get baby hairs. A long curved part. It did say that it was 5 inches. It do have 2 combs on the perimeters of the hair, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and then the lace is medium brown. So this is what the wig looks like on. This is what it looks like going from ear to ear on me. I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be, how the curved part is. Oh, I actually think so. So the way that she has it, I think that is how it's supposed to go. So maybe like about right there. I guess it's supposed to be like right there. But yeah, that is how it is. I'm not sure if I'll leave it like that. I might twist the wig around because I don't know if I like it like that. But this is what it looks like on. So it is pre-plucked, if I did not say that. And it does have like this feathered bang out. The color is like super duper pretty. It is a silky texture. I am getting some shedding, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace and see how I want to center this wig, because I don't know if I like it like that. But yeah. Okay, so this is Miss Topaz. Like, the color, the cut, the style, bomb. Just bomb. Like, the color sets this hairstyle off. I freaking love how Zury did the color on this hair. Like, oh my god, it is so freaking gorgeous. This hair color is so freaking gorgeous. So to get on into the hair, I did have to move the wig a little bit towards this way, I think it is, because the part, it goes like right here, and so I did move it a little bit over towards this way because the model, I think she has it a little bit towards that way. So my head is a little bit big, so I did have to move it over towards this way. So on the sides, the ear tab, it is behind my ear. So it is big head friendly. So I did apply some of my foundation in the part. The part, it does not need to be plucked. The hairline, it is plucked around the hairline. So you do not have to pluck around the hairline, so it looks nice whenever you do slick down your baby hairs. The baby hairs are short, so you don't have to cut like a lot. If you are a beginner, you really don't have to cut any if you don't know how to cut. So they do have baby hairs low enough to where you don't have to cut them. And like I said, it does look really, really pretty. Like I said, the hairline is pre-plucked. On this wig, the lace is like very, very soft, so it is is rolling back like right here in the center. So you might have to apply like a little bit of got to be glued if you trying to lift like the bang up or whatever. But if you got the bang slicked down and you're not really much messing with it, then you should be okay. Right here, for you to get the feather bangs on the part, they do put filler hairs in the part, and you can see a lot of the filler hairs. So you would have to slick it down with some beeswax, or slicking down with got to be glued spray or gel, because you will see that. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I do have like a lot of hair sticking out. It is like a natural density, so this is how much hair you do have pulled to the front, and this is how far the hair goes. So it is maybe about 22 inches. So I'm not sure if this wig is out or not, but if it is out, I will leave the links down below in the description box down below. I also leave a release date if it is not already out, because I do know that this is a new wig that Zury is coming out with. So like I said, I will leave links if it is already out. And I'm trying to fix my bang. My bang is like going everywhere. But yeah. So if you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, or if there's any wigs that you would like me to review, please leave those down in the description box down below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video.